end of the evening, we're having our dinner here at the IMM Mall, Singapore. January 2, 1996. January 2, 2026. There's Jason Boy with his signature of nicknames. 74 years old Singaporean. Honey! He's busy with his phone, wrapping it himself for our dinner. Having chicken from small varieties of fritters.
Yes. Yes.
Enjoy! January 2, 2026. I am in Mall Singapore, Johor, Singapore. Enjoy, folks! Happy New Year! Second day of Happy New Year.